Good morning. Over the past weeks, we conducted a comprehensive, end-to-end diagnostic of your operational, workforce, and project data. Our mandate was simple: identify structural inefficiencies, quantify value at stake, and define the levers that will materially improve profitability, delivery speed, and organizational efficiency. Across all analyses, 4 findings stand out as the most critical for leadership. First, your location strategy is misaligned with both cost structures and skill availability. Certain offices, such as Amman and Almaty, consistently deliver lower costs, higher allocation efficiency, and shorter project durations. Others, particularly Dubai, show dramatically higher monthly costs and inflated salary bands. This creates structural margin leakage across the portfolio. Second, solution complexity, especially advanced AI solutions, reliably doubles project timelines. Projects show durations reaching 15 months, compared with 7 to 8 months for standard solutions. This pattern is consistent and predictable. Complexity is acting as a silent multiplier on both cost and delivery time. Third, the organization is overdependent on high experience, high-cost employees for core delivery. Employees with 7 to 8 years of experience cost approximately $11,300 monthly versus $8,400 for mid-level employees. Yet these senior employees carry the bulk of project allocations, creating bottlenecks and single points of failure. Fourth, skill-project mismatch is one of the strongest drivers of cost overruns and delays. When employees' skill clusters do not match the project type, project duration, allocation inefficiency, and cost escalation rise sharply. This is a structural staffing issue, not an execution issue. Across the entire dataset, office location is the single strongest predictor of project cost efficiency. Amman and Almaty average total monthly costs as low as $7,766. Dubai, the highest monthly cost across all employee and project categories, exceeding $10,940. This gap is too large to ignore. The company is over-allocating premium locations to non-premium work. We found distinct skill signatures by location: Abu Dhabi, deep machine learning and data science; Dubai, data visualization and BI; Almaty, cloud and big data platforms; Bogota and Amman, broad but uneven skill diversity. Yet project routing does not reflect these natural centers of excellence. The result: avoidable inefficiency, longer onboarding curves, and higher coordination costs. Solution count and complexity directly drive project duration. The clearest example: Health AI projects average 15 months, nearly double the duration of standard solution sets. This is not a process issue. This is feature of complexity itself and requires a new operating model, not more PM discipline. Employees with more experience are allocated more heavily and more consistently across every project type. This has 2 consequences: high-quality delivery for strategic projects and chronic bottlenecks as senior employees become overloaded. Cost-wise, 7 to 8 years experience, $11,300 per month. 5 to 6 years, $10,500. 2 to 4 years, $8,400. The pyramid is inverted. You are relying on the most expensive people to do the most work. Employees with MSc-level engineering degrees receive the highest allocation percentages, averaging up to 1.0 full-time equivalent. This reveals that the firm uses academic specialization as a trust mechanism. But this also creates vulnerability when specialized talent is concentrated in a single office. One of the clearest causal drivers of performance: teams with higher skill diversity complete projects faster and with lower turnover. This provides a strong case for codifying diversity into your staffing model, not treating it as incidental. When employees deliver work in their primary office location, 3 things improve: allocation percentage, total monthly cost, delivery efficiency. Cross-location staffing should therefore be a deliberate exception, not the norm. A. Cost optimization and location strategy. Shift 25 to 40% of project load from high-cost offices to cost-efficient hubs. Establish 2 delivery hubs aligned to skill clusters: cloud and big data, ML/AI. Reprice high-scope projects delivered from high-cost regions. B. Project delivery acceleration. Introduce complexity tiers for all solution-based projects. Cap solution count for standard scope projects. Create AI-heavy project playbooks for 15-month timelines. Implement predictive project duration modeling using historical solution patterns. C. Talent, skills, and experience strategy. Rebuild the talent pyramid, reduce senior dependency, increase mid-level development. Launch a targeted upskilling program to shift 20 to 30% of work from senior to mid-level staff. Create internal specializations tied to project types, not just roles. D. Organizational restructuring. Build a complexity-based resourcing model for all new work intake. Reduce cross-location coordination by 30 to 40%. Expand PMO capabilities for advanced solution governance. E. Technology and automation. Deploy AI-driven staffing models to match skills to project types. Implement automated cost forecasting based on solution complexity. Integrate portfolio analytics dashboards for leadership. F. Workforce allocation and staffing model. Move to portfolio-constrained staffing with guardrails on senior allocation. Implement capabilities mapping per office. Align compensation bands with project scope tiers. Next 90 days, establish location profitability model. Launch talent pyramid restructuring. Build skill cluster maps per office. Introduce complex solution PMO framework. Next 6 months, shift project load to optimize delivery hubs. Redeploy 20% of overallocated senior talent. Implement predictive forecasting models. Reprice high-scope projects accordingly. Next 12 months, redesign operating model around skill-based hubs. Fully deploy AI-driven staffing. Achieve 12 to 18% reduction in cost per project. Reduce average project duration by 20 to 25%. Your organization has significant strengths: deep technical talent, strong regional reach, and solid capabilities in advanced solutions. But without structural changes to location strategy, staffing models, and complexity management, the company will continue to absorb unnecessary cost and delivery inefficiency. The recommendations outlined here provide a clear, actionable path toward higher performance, faster delivery, and materially stronger margins.